Wherever you are in the world, a curry may not quite make your festive table. But from where I come from, a curry is an integral part of our holiday feast. Hi everyone, I'm Karen Ahmed. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to count down my top 5 curries that I like to make for the festive season. These are traditional recipes that I make every year for Christmas and any other celebration. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Do share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends, and do ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. Top of the list is my mom's sarpatel. Made at every celebration by the Christian community, the Goans, Mangalorians and East Indians, this curry is typically made with pork and offal. My version of my mom's delicious recipe is made with chicken and beef or lamb liver. The treasure lies in the combination of spices with vinegar. Next on my list is the fritad. As part of my East Indian culture, this gravy is rich in spices. You can't pass up a Shaka T. This is made with either chicken or mutton. It can also be made with other proteins. And this spice blend is made with fresh roasted coconut, and it simply makes my mouth water. Another really popular curry is the ambot teek. Ambot means sour and teek means hot. This gravy dish is wonderful and is perfect with a side of rice. And finally, I can't leave out the Vindaloo. Yes, it's pronounced Vindaloo, not Vindaloo. It's an old Portuguese-derived curry made with pork, chicken, or beef. The gravy is a delicate balance between red dried chilies and vinegar. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Adventures. I hope you enjoy these delicious curry recipes. I'm going to make sure to leave that playlist for you at the end of this video as well as in the description. Make sure to follow my channel, guys. Make sure to subscribe as well as share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. And ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget, I am running a giveaway on my channel till the end of the year. This includes a box full of my favorite ingredients, including a Cravings apron and a mug. So all you need to do is comment on any video with the hashtag Cravings and you will be entered automatically for your chance to win. All of the details are in the description. Also, make sure to follow me behind the scenes. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, take care and happy holidays. Here's a fun fact. I have my mic clipped to my hair today because I can't get it through my dress.